Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles not stick to your waffle maker. First, always preheat your waffle maker completely. This ensures an even cooking surface and helps prevent sticking. Next, lightly brush or spray both the top and bottom grids with a high-heat cooking oil like canola or vegetable oil. A thin, even layer is key. Too much can make waffles greasy, while too little won't prevent sticking effectively. This initial preparation is crucial for a perfect release every time. Next, let's talk about your waffle batter. Overmixing develops gluten, making waffles tough and more prone to sticking. Mix just until the ingredients are combined. A few small lumps are actually desirable. Also, ensure your recipe includes enough fat, like 2 to 4 tablespoons of melted butter or oil per cup of flour. This internal lubrication helps with release. Finally, be mindful of sugar content. Excessive sugar can cause waffles to caramelize and adhere to the plates. During the cooking process, precision is important. Pour just enough batter to fill the grids about 2/3 full, preventing overflow and ensuring even cooking. Close the lid gently and resist the urge to peek. Opening the waffle maker too soon can tear the delicate, partially cooked waffle, leaving pieces stuck to the plates. Wait until the steam stops escaping and the indicator light, if present, signals completion. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. After your delicious waffles are cooked, use non-metal utensils, such as silicone tongs or a wooden spatula, to gently lift them from the grids. Metal can scratch the nonstick coating, compromising its effectiveness. Once the waffle maker has cooled completely, clean it thoroughly. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the grids, removing any crumbs or oil residue. Proper cleaning after every use maintains the non-stick surface for future perfect waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.